Friends, welcome to Electrical Techie. Today we will see how to do the wiring configuration in ABB ACS560 VFD. Here we'll do in 3-wire macro configuration. Here we have two analog inputs AI1 and AI2. We'll be using AI2 for 4 to 20 milliamps analog input. Then AGND is the analog input common. We have two analog outputs AO1 and AO2 for output frequency and the motor current. These are the digital inputs. We will use DI1 and DI2. DI1 for stop and start and DI2 for forward and reverse. We have these relay outputs RO1, RO2 and RO3. RO1 signifies ready run, RO2 for running and RO3 for fault. There are various other TBs which we will use as per our requirement. Here we see that AI1 is used as a speed reference if vector control is selected. Now we'll go to do the wiring configuration, how to do the wiring in ABB ACS560. Here we see the wiring connection. At the top left hand side is for the 24 volt DC, and then at the top is DI1 and DI2 is being used. DI1 for start and stop and DI2 for forward and reverse. Here we have connected the analog input AI2, that is 4 to 20 milliamps is connected to AI2. We first used in AI1 but it was not working. 4 to 20 milliamps for a signal in the analog input, then the configuration of analog input is very much essential. Here we see in the parameter group 12. When you go to parameter group 12 and you open 12.15, you have two options, 10 and 2. 10 stands for, when you select 10, it stands for milliamps, that is analog input will be read in milliamps, and when you select 2, the analog input will be read as volts. So this is very much important that you have to do a proper selection. The VFD in forward and reverse and check whether it is running on the proper speed reference given. First we'll start the VFD in forward, and we see on the top right hand corner the speed reference is given, which is 5 hours. Now we'll start the VFD in reverse mode and check whether it is matching the speed reference or not. So thank you for watching my channel. Do subscribe to my videos.